If you want me to see your videos, hashtag AMTuts2020. At me on Instagram at Mr. Ambitious A, and I'll check them out. Hey, what's up? I'm Ambitious Anthony, and thank you for joining me on AMTV. So today we're going to be going into 3 and Gear 4. If you haven't seen Gear 1 and Gear 2 of Inner Boxes, make sure that you guys go check it out. That will be in the description box below. You can hit the link and I'll take you there. So starting off in Gear 3, again, we're going to go back to this comfortable position right here, okay? And then what we're going to do is we're going to go 1, you're going to turn up. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go 2 and turn forward, okay? So now if you're looking at this from here, right, we went 1 and then we went 2. Now after you go 2, you're going to slide across, then bring it right back up, then bring it back to here, and then bring it down, okay? So again, that's 1, rotate forward, 2, slide across, 3, back up, 4, 5, 6. Now on the other side, same thing, you're gonna go up, 1, forward, 2, slide across, 3, back up, 4, 5, 6. One more time on that side, you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Now you guys, all the boxes we've done up until this point have all been flat in terms of it's in this square area, right? But then what happens is what we just did here is we went forward, which takes us into the 3rd dimension. So now we're doing 3D tuts, okay? So again, we went from here and then we went this way, right? So going over it, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, rotate 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we're looking at it from this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. So that is Gear 3. Now going into Gear 4, Gear 4 is not much different than Gear 3. It's just going the other direction, right? So you're here and you're going to go 1, then you're going to rotate towards your body, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you're looking at that from the top, you went 1, and you went 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the other side, same thing. You're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is Gear 4. Now, if you start to really practice these and you start to incorporate the different gears that I've shown you, then it will take your skills to a whole new level, right? So if you start off here and you're like, okay, I'm going to go through Gear 1, here, slide, here, and you bring it down, and then you're like, okay, you know what, maybe I'm going to mix Gear 1 and Gear 4 a little bit, right? So you go 1, and you go 2, 3, 4. You get up here, then you're like, okay, I'm going to rotate forward, slide, rotate back all the way to here, slide, rotate up, bring it here, here, slide, rotate forward, show it this way, shoot, rotate to the other side. I hate when things get blurry. Shucks. Okay. Here, rotate to the other side. Bring it over here. Bring it back up and down. Right? Again, the more you practice these, the more you'll be able to experiment and play with different angles and different places. And if you haven't done the tutorials before this, again, I stress it. Go check them out. Practice the drills. And you'll be amazing. I know these tuts work. So practice. Practice, practice. I'm Ambitious Anthony, and why settle for less? Be ambitious.
Hey Dance Nation, when learning dance, it helps if you have the right music. So, the hip hop song of the day is If you're a younger member, please search the clean version or the instrumental.
If you'd like to have me come into your school or dance studio, you can email me at info@ambitiousmovement.com. Hopefully, this video is helpful. If you'd like to learn more dance moves, click here. If you'd like to learn more grooves, click here. If this is your first time on our channel, hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the little bell so that you don't miss out on our latest moves